Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back. Today we're making the perfect fresh ham, tomato and lettuce sandwich. Simple, delicious and easy to make at home. Let's get started. Few things satisfy a midday craving like a perfectly made sandwich. Imagine biting through a crusty layer of bread into the cool, crisp crunch of fresh lettuce. This texture quickly meets the burst of juice from a ripe tomato, followed by the savory, salty richness of thinly sliced ham. It's a classic combination for good reason. It balances salty and sweet, soft and crunchy, all in one handheld meal. Whether you're packing a lunch for a long workday or feeding a family on a Saturday afternoon, this sandwich is a reliable staple. It's simple, yet when done right, it feels like a gourmet treat. The beauty lies in its accessibility. You don't need fancy equipment or hours of prep time. Instead, you just need a few high-quality components and a bit of assembly knowledge. Finding the right balance of these ingredients makes all the difference. Because there are so few elements involved, every slice of produce and every piece of meat must pull its weight. When you focus on the freshness and the build, you turn a basic lunch into a memorable sensory experience. Making a fresh sandwich with tomatoes, ham, and lettuce is an art form that anyone can master with a few simple tips. Picking the best ingredients for your sandwich. A sandwich is only as good as its weakest link. Since the list of ingredients is short, you should prioritize quality over quantity. Instead of buying a prepackaged bag of mixed greens or generic deli meat, take a moment to look at your options. Visit a local farmer's market or a dedicated deli counter if you can. Freshness is the main goal here. When selecting your deli meat, ask for thin shavings rather than thick slabs. Sliced ham that's piled high creates a lighter, airier texture that's much easier to bite through. You also want to consider the bread. A flimsy, over-processed white loaf will often collapse under the weight of juicy tomatoes. Look for a sturdy sourdough or a fresh baguette that offers a substantial crust. Finding the right tomatoes and lettuce for a satisfying crunch. The produce provides the life of the sandwich. For the best results, use tomatoes that are firm but yield slightly to a gentle squeeze. Large beefsteak tomatoes are excellent because their circumference often matches a standard slice of bread. If you want something sweeter and more concentrated, Roma tomatoes can be sliced lengthwise to cover the surface area. Preparation is just as important as the selection. Always wash your lettuce thoroughly in cold water to wake up the cells and provide maximum crispness. After washing, the secret is to pat the leaves completely dry. Any water left on the lettuce will make your bread soggy almost immediately. Romaine hearts offer a great structural rib, while butterhead lettuce provides a soft, velvety feel. And that's it for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.